you gonna watch? Puppy. Hey, puppy. Hey, puppy. You gonna watch the video? You wanna be in it? You wanna earn a cookie, huh? You think you're gonna earn a cookie? Hi everybody, Julie the Wippy Chick here. Hello, hello. So glad you came back. If this is the first time you've ever been to my channel, I'm happy to see you. Welcome, and I hope you come back again really soon. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button if, of course, you like and want to subscribe to this video. And also leave me a comment. I love to hear from everybody who watches my videos. So I've got 2 whips that I was going to show you today, and also so excited. I'm gonna talk to you about the cal, my very first cal. Super excited about it, and about this much nervous because I've never done it before, and I probably should have had some testers, but I didn't. I'm just winging it, so hopefully it doesn't come back to bite me on the you-know-what. Okay, so first whip is this blanket. I feel like I've been working on it forever. It's really cool. It's got these cool big holes in it. But it makes it nice for when it's not super cold out, you know, but you want a little blanket maybe in the early fall or late spring. And it's got these cool little butterflies. I think it's what they're supposed to look like, as butterflies. But it's really neat, and it is a fast moving whip. I've just been so busy I haven't had a ton of opportunity to really work on it. This pattern is by Anya from Ophelia Talks, and I believe her grandmother made some blankets with this that she copied, so not really sure who the original author of this pattern is. We're gonna wait for that truck to go by. It's what happens when you live in the country on a busy road. Everybody has to take the same road to get wherever they're going, so you get that. Okay, so anyway, that's my first whip. I'm actually using all hand-me-down yarn on this. It was gifted to me in a box of yarn, and using it up. So yeah, free blanket. It's fun. So that's my first whip. Second whip is crazy bright colors. It's going to be a baby blanket size, and I can't really call this my pattern, but I don't know whose pattern it is. In the same box that I was gifted all of that other yarn, I was given this unfinished project, and it was using this pattern, this stitch pattern, and I thought it was really cool. So I just copied it, but I honestly don't know whose it is. I will probably be doing a tutorial on how to create this. You do not have to use crazy bright colors. It's just as effective with more muted colors, shall we say. But I like the really bright colors. As you know, I'm the Wippy Chick. I like them really bright. But I thought it looked like dripping paint. Doesn't it kind of look like someone like dumped paint and it's just kind of dripping down? That's what I thought anyway. A friend of mine said, but if you flip it over, it looks like a heart rate monitor. So I can see that too. So that's the second whip that I've been working on. Another car going by. Everybody's going home from work. It's the end of the work day. I just got home myself. What was I going to say about this? Oh, the only thing that I would change about this pattern is 3 out of 4 of the rows are single crochet, and it's taking forever. It's making for a very thick, heavy blanket. It's going to be a nice warm one, but it is taking a long time. And I don't know about you, but when a blanket is taking me so long, I kind of start to lose interest in it, even when it is this bright. The fun thing about this one, though, is I am using the random stripe generator. So I'm coming up with some pretty random stripes. It's pretty fun. So I'll keep you posted on that. Now, the big moment, the big reveal, the cal. My first cal is going to be another car going by. Okay, maybe. Thank God for editing. Okay. My first cal is going to be, drum roll please, a market bag. What do you think? Is it fun? I love it. I think it's so, so pretty. I love the colors. The bottom of it has this, sorry, there's stuff in it, has this pretty like flower motif down here at the bottom. And it's mostly mesh stitch, so it goes pretty fast. I love it. Now, you could really put tons and tons of broccoli and carrots and apples and grapefruit and all that stuff into your market bag if you want to. But I personally would rather put yarn into my bag. So I did. I put a bunch of yarn into it because I like yarn a lot better than I like fruit. That's just me. But I do love it, and I'm excited and a little scared at the same time. I'm really scared that, you know, the pattern isn't going to be just perfect, or someone will say this is boring or not pretty, or I don't know. I don't know what I'm afraid of. My dog's sitting here listening to me cry and whine. But yeah, it's a little scary to put yourself out there, so we'll see. Fingers crossed. Hopefully it goes well. And I will be putting the details in the bottom of this video down in the description, but I can let you know that I used 4 balls of sugar and cream cotton yarn, 100% cotton yarn. So any equivalent of those is going to be fine, I'm sure. It is a mesh bag, so it's not like gauge is super, super important, but I did feel that using cotton yarn was super important because it is so strong. So yeah, that's my recommendation, is to use. Are you done? You done whining? I promised him a cookie at the end of the video, so he's ready for that. What was I saying? Oh, sugar and cream. Yeah, I recommend sugar and cream, but if you can't get it, anything that's the equivalent would be fine. I'm sure 100% cotton yarn. There's all different kinds. I've kind of like to try some other kinds of 100% cotton yarn, actually. I know Premier puts some out. So anyway, the pattern is going to be posted on my Facebook page. I'm going to release the pattern in the same segments as the videos. So whatever the video covers that week, the pattern will cover the same. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I'm forgetting. The first day of it is going to be a week from today. Today is Sunday the 26th, so it's going to be next Sunday is the date that I'm going to release the first video and the first pattern. I'm also going to try to get the pattern up on my Ravelry, but to be honest with you, I haven't been on my Ravelry in so long. I'm going to have to try to figure out how to do that. If I'm successful, I'll put the link down in the description below. So if that's not down there, you'll just have to get the pattern from the Facebook page, and that link is already down below. So I think I've got everything set. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and let me know, and I will certainly answer that. Because if you have a question, maybe someone else has the same question. So I want to answer everybody's questions, and I just want it to go well and be fun, and maybe meet some more yarnies. I love to hear from you guys. So I think that's it. I'm trying to keep my videos a little bit shorter. Nobody wants to listen to me ramble on and on for hours, I'm sure. So I'm gonna let you go, and I'm gonna see you on Sunday and give you the very first video of the cal. Yay! I'm so excited. Okay, guys, I hope you're being safe, and I hope you're healthy, and I hope I see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye. You ready for your cookie? You want a cookie? Yeah, wants a cookie.